Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, well, welcome back. So, I hope everybody is doing good and I hope y'all having a great week. I am going to do a PR package for Outdoor Tide. If you have not heard of Outdoor Tide, please go check them out. Thank you, Outdoor Tide, for sending me these items to review on my channel. I really appreciate it. And if all of y'all, all of those who have not subscribed, please consider doing so. And I would appreciate that and the thumbs up. So now we're gonna get to the video. Like I said, Outdoor Tide has supplied me these items to review on my channel, and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna do the. I already opened it. I didn't really look at. I just saw what it was because I had to distinguish from what it was. So let's see what we got. So the first thing I got is some stickers. And they're so cute. Look at these stickers. It's some Christmas stickers. I love them. Look how cute they are. They're gonna be so fun to do. They are a round, it's a round drill, as you can tell. It's regular drills, and I'm gonna show you guys the drills. Look how cute. The drill field is clear, and I'm pretty sure the stickiness is good. Let's see. Well, I've never, yeah, the stickiness is great. I've never tried stickers from them before. Actually, I've tried nothing from them before, but I'm gonna do these and we're gonna see how it turns out. But I'm gonna show y'all the drills. These are the drills. They're round. They're regular drills. They're not special drills. They come in these packages, not the baggies. But they're cute colors. They seem to be, the drills seem to be good. As all drills, you know, you will have some trash in them, but as for right now, I don't see any trash in those. It's really not that many, to be honest. And these are what the photos do look like. Look how cute. And this is a sticker. It's so cute. So that is it. And it comes with directions to tell you how to diamond paint them, which I think is cool. I like that. That's a great idea. And it also comes with a toolkit. It comes with a boat, a plate of wax, and a pen with a one placer, and everything you need right here to diamond paint. So that's what it contains for the stickers. And I'm gonna put this away because I really want to do that for Christmas. I'm gonna probably do it before Christmas, but. And then let's see if I can not struggle with this. So, I did. So, I have a 30 by 30 diamond painting. And it is a round drill. And let me roll it up this way because I want to, it's all, yeah. All right. So this is what it is. It's a Halloween one. It's so cute. It's a cat and a pumpkin. It's so cute. I love the colors. This is the thumbnail. It is a 30 by 30. It has the legend on the left-hand top. It has 21 colors. It is a round drill, and it has a legend on the bottom also. There you go, bottom right. The drill field is clear, as y'all can see. I hope y'all can see that because the drill field is really clear. The colors are gorgeous. So cute. The symbols are clear. I love it. I think I'm going to do this one next because it is small. So I'm working on Afghan cat, but I'll be able to work on this one. It's so cute. comes with a bowl, a plate of wax, and a pen. Everything you need to diamond paint right here. The drills, they come in these little baggies. It's not zip baggies, it's just regular plastic bags, regular bags. These are some more colors. Of course, we have a lot of, they have navy blue, a lot of black, greens, oranges, of course, yellows. Pretty color palette. The drills seem to be nice. Like I said, as for this one as well, a lot of drills do have, you know, there are some drills that do have trash in them, but I don't see a significant amount as of right now. Now it may, you know, I may have more, maybe not, I don't know. I normally don't have any trouble with these types of drills. Trash, a lot of trash. Very seldom. So we'll see. This diamond painting is a Halloween diamond painting. It is a 30 by 30 full round, and it's $5.60, $5.60 on their website as of the last time I looked. As for the stickers, these were $3.39. It is a 6-piece Christmas sticker, and these were $3.39 on their website. So I'm gonna link everything in the description portion of this video for you guys, so y'all can go and check them out. So y'all go check out Outdoor Tide. Like I said, they are a new to me company. Like I've seen other people do videos for them, but they're a new to me company. So y'all go check them out and see what they got. I know they have more than diamond paintings. They have diamond painting pens. They have diamond paintings with ABs. They have large, medium, small diamond paintings. I think they have cross stitch. So y'all go check them out, and I'm gonna link everything in the description portion of this video. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye.